I'm Kenzie Cooke. I'm a PhD student with the AOML Coral Program. My research involves looking at how we might scale restoration, particularly using alkalinity enrichment. Alkalinity is essentially the buffering capacity of a solution. By increasing the alkalinity, we're basically making it easier for corals to precipitate their skeletons. So my research involves investigating how this tool could be incorporated into the restoration pipeline with a focus on larval settlement and early growth. We know that reefs worldwide are in decline due to a myriad of stressors, and coral restoration efforts must scale with the magnitude of the crisis. It can take years for a sexual recruit to grow to the size that is suitable for outplanting. So if alkalinity enrichment can speed up that process, that means we have more corals being outplanted onto reefs and a cheaper investment per coral. We're excited to see how this might be used as a tool to scale restoration and how this tool could be incorporated into the restoration pipeline, ultimately producing more resilient outplants.